15 more affordable classic projects. Let's see which one deserves a second chance. Number 1. 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass Holiday Coupe, US $3,000, Suffolk, Virginia. Offered for US $3,000 in Suffolk, Virginia, this 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass Holiday Coupe is powered by a 330 V8 with a Rochester Quadrajet 4-barrel carburetor and a Monte 4-speed manual transmission. As one of the early factory muscle car era Oldsmobiles, it provides a solid foundation for someone interested in a vintage performance project. The seller describes the car as being in rough condition with no brakes, requiring transportation by trailer. Rust is present in the floor pans and quarter panels, making this an honest restoration candidate rather than a ready-to-drive classic. Number 2. 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe, US $3,000, Alexandria, Indiana. Listed for US $3,000 in Alexandria, Indiana, this 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo runs and drives with a Chevrolet 350 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller notes that the car now wears the front clip from a 1977 model, but remains otherwise stock. The frame is described as being in good condition, while rust is limited to the lower doors and fenders, and the quarter panels have already been replaced. Factory air conditioning is present, but not currently working. With a good title included, this Monte Carlo appears to be a usable driver that could be improved over time.
Number 3. 1977 Mercury Cougar Coupe, US $2,800, Cassadaga, New York. Priced at US $2,800 in Cassadaga, New York, this 1977 Mercury Cougar is equipped with a 351 Windsor V8 and automatic transmission. The seller states that the car still runs and drives, making it one of the more complete projects in this group. Showing approximately 10,000 miles on the listing, the Cougar is presented with a silver exterior and burgundy interior. Aside from being offered at or best offer, very few issues are mentioned, suggesting a straightforward project or weekend cruiser. Number 4. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe, US $3,000, Muncie, Indiana. Available for US $3,000 in Muncie, Indiana, this late 1970s Chevrolet Camaro project has been stored for years and is equipped with an inline-six engine backed by an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the body is very clean, and most of the car remains complete. However, the Camaro is missing its T-top roof panels, along with the title, keys, and related documentation. Because of those missing items, it should be viewed as a restoration or parts project rather than a vehicle ready for immediate use.
Number 5. 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air, US $3,000, Madison, Wisconsin. Located in Madison, Wisconsin, this 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air is offered for US $3,000 and is powered by a 235 inline-six, paired with the classic 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The seller describes it as a clean, enjoyable driver that has recently received new tires, a water pump, and minor body repair. The brakes, lights, heater, and exhaust are all reported to be working properly. Suspension bushings are worn and the clutch chatters unless released carefully, but the car remains roadworthy. With a firm asking price, this Bel Air stands out as one of the few vehicles in the batch that can still be driven while improvements are made. Number 6. 1980 Chevrolet Corvette, US $3,000, Charlotte, North Carolina. This 1980 Chevrolet Corvette is listed for US $3,000 in Charlotte, North Carolina. Powered by a 350 V8 with an automatic transmission, the seller describes it as a project car that still runs and drives. A clean title is included, and while additional work is expected, the Corvette offers a complete starting point for someone wanting a C3 project without beginning from a non-running vehicle. The seller is also open to reasonable offers.
Number 7. 1979 Ford Mustang Cobra Hatchback, US $3,000, Mazamani, Wisconsin. Priced at US $3,000 in Mazamani, Wisconsin, this 1979 Ford Mustang Cobra comes with a manual transmission and a large collection of extra parts. Recent upgrades include a 5-lug disc brake conversion, new radiator, differential clutch pack, brake components, newer tires, and a stack of maintenance receipts. The seller is upfront about the remaining issues, including coolant and power steering leaks, a bypassed heater core, a dragging rear brake caliper, electrical work still needed for the cooling fans, and a poorly modified roof that will require replacement. Despite those flaws, the car runs and drives, making it an honest restoration project. Number 8. 1964 Ford Fairlane 500. US $2,500, Dixon, Missouri. Offered for US $2,500 in Dixon, Missouri, this 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 is powered by a 289 V8 with the original 3-speed manual transmission. The seller states that the car has around 60,000 original miles, a clean title, original keys, and all of its factory trim pieces. Although some rust is present, the body is described as straight and complete, with no major missing parts. Purchased as a project, it is now being sold because the owner no longer has time to restore it, making it a promising foundation for a classic Ford enthusiast.
Number 9. 1947 Plymouth Deluxe Coupe, US $2,500, Milwaukee, Illinois. Offered for US $2,500 in Milwaukee, Illinois, this 1947 Plymouth Deluxe Coupe is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. The seller notes that the car is very complete and includes both a clear Illinois title and the original keys. The Plymouth reportedly remained with the same local owner for more than 50 years before being offered for sale. That long ownership history adds some appeal for buyers who appreciate preserved classics with documented provenance. Mechanically, the car does not currently start, despite receiving a new battery last year. Structurally, the floor pans are completely rusted out, making it a restoration project rather than a road-ready driver. Overall, this is an honest post-war project with a complete body and drivetrain, but significant metalwork will be required before it can return to the road. Number 10. 1965 Volvo Amazon 122, US $2,750, Carbondale, Illinois. Listed for US $2,750 in Carbondale, Illinois, this 1965 Volvo Amazon 122 is described as a running and driving project. During the seller's ownership, several mechanical upgrades have already been completed to improve the suspension and drivability. The car features full IPD polyurethane suspension bushings, KYB gas-adjustable shocks, lowering springs, a Simons sport exhaust, and a complete clutch hydraulic service, including a new master cylinder, slave cylinder, throwout bearing, clutch disc, and pressure plate. According to the seller, the Volvo runs, drives, and stops properly, although it still needs additional attention before being considered finished. It is being sold simply because the owner is ready to move on. For buyers looking for a classic European sedan that can already be driven while being improved, this Amazon offers considerably more completed work than many project cars in this price range. Number 11. 1977 International Race Bus, US $3,000, Angola, Indiana. Available for US $3,000 in Angola, Indiana, this 1977 International Race Bus is powered by a 304 cubic inch gasoline V8 with an automatic transmission. Unlike many vehicles in this collection, it is reported to both run and drive. The bus has already been converted for motorsports or camping use and includes several useful features such as 2 beds, passenger seating, a refrigerator, 2 air conditioning units, an outdoor shower, and a rooftop party deck. The seller also mentions that numerous extra parts are included with the sale, making it more than just a basic transport vehicle. Overall, this is a unique specialty vehicle that could continue serving as a race support bus, camping rig, or custom project with relatively little additional work. Number 12. 1947 Chevrolet Fleetmaster, US $2,200, Summerville, South Carolina. Priced at US $2,200 in Summerville, South Carolina, this 1947 Chevrolet Fleetmaster is described as a rust-free restoration candidate that already runs and drives. A clean title is included with the sale. According to the seller, every part needed for the car is present, making it a complete project rather than a collection of missing components. That completeness can save considerable time during restoration. The seller also mentions having a fully restored interior available separately, although it is not included in the asking price. With a solid body, running drivetrain, and complete parts inventory, this Fleetmaster appears to be one of the more promising restoration candidates in this batch. Number 13. 1959 Triumph Mayflower, US $850 in McRae, Arkansas. This 1959 Triumph Mayflower is offered for US $850 in McRae, Arkansas. The seller admits to knowing very little about the vehicle and even notes that the model year is only an estimate. The car is equipped with a flathead engine, but no information is provided regarding its operating condition. The trunk is not currently bolted onto the vehicle, and the car does not include a title. Because of its condition, the Mayflower will need to be loaded with a winch, although the seller is willing to provide local delivery for an additional fee. Considering the very low asking price, this Triumph is best viewed as a restoration challenge or a source of rare British components. Number 14. 1963 Dodge Polara 500, US $3,000 in Columbus, Ohio. Located in Columbus, Ohio, this 1963 Dodge Polara 500 carries an asking price of US $3,000. The seller reports that the engine runs, making it mechanically more complete than many other projects in this collection. The primary issue is the automatic transmission, which is said to leak heavily. No additional mechanical or body details are provided in the listing. Showing just over 37,000 miles on the odometer, the Polara is offered with delivery available for buyers located within approximately 200 miles. Overall, this appears to be a straightforward Mopar project with a running engine, but a transmission that will require immediate attention.
Number 15. 1973 Volkswagen Beetle, US $300, Martin, Tennessee. At just US $300, this 1973 Volkswagen Beetle is the least expensive vehicle in the batch. Located in Martin, Tennessee, it comes with a title and features a distinctive fiberglass 1937 Ford-style front-end conversion. The dual-port engine is currently stuck, so the Beetle does not run. However, the seller notes that the floor pans appear to be in relatively decent condition considering the car's age. Inside, the interior is complete, although it has been sitting long enough to become quite dirty after years in the field. For buyers searching for an inexpensive Volkswagen project or a unique custom restoration starting point, it's difficult to overlook a complete titled Beetle offered at only US $300. Thanks for watching. Tell us which project was your favorite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next classic car hunt.